Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Old Man Scream TikTok filter. This was my first time using Effect House and figuring out this tools. So it's a bit of a weird effect, but it was fun to make and I learned a lot during the process and I'll be coming up with more filters soon, so stay tuned. Actually, before I get into it, I'll talk about my idea. What I'm thinking of trying to make is a filter where when the user opens their mouth, there'll be a scream sound. That's sort of the basics, and then we can sort of continue to explore from there. So what I've already done I've downloaded Effect House beta. I've logged in. So the sound that I looked up, I went on Freesound, I looked up Scream, I found this excellent Old Man Scream sound, and I've chopped it up a bit, and this is what I've got. This is what I'm going to work with from the start. So I think it's fun. I've got the docs open, so wait, where are they? They're somewhere. They're nearby. So this is very exploratory at the moment. I haven't used this for more than like 20 minutes in total, so I'm going to try to learn this like tool. Thought making some fun audio interactive filters would be fun. So I'm going to create a project. Okay. So there's a lot to kind of look at here. Can I save as? All right, I'm going to call it Old Man Scream. Create. All right. So I'm going to import this sound into my assets. All right, easy. You can just drag and drop. So if I add a node, head and face, facial, I think it's facial movement. Let's take a look. Left eye blink, mouth open. It'd be cool if you could like make different sounds for each of these things and then make like an instrument out of that. I wonder if I might do that next. Could be fun. Okay, so can I make this visual scripting section larger? And can I add this out here? All right, and music resources. There's audio resource and there's an audio player, I think. I think you need to connect it to that first from what I have figured out. Add a node, audio player controller, I think. I might need to look at the docs of this. All right, add the audio player, add the audio player controller, and then connect that to an action. So play this, and then this will be the actual audio player. So because audio resource isn't going to work, I need an audio player. Audio player, no. Audio resource controller? Maybe? I don't think it's that. If I can start and play and then connect this here, will that work? No. Because I think this connects here. Okay, so no. Audio resource. I can get audio resource going. So if I go, okay, it might not be audio player. I think it might be audio resource. So I want it to play at volume 100 when we start, like that. Okay, I want it to work when not unstart. I get rid of this. So when she opens her mouth, the sound will play. Alright, and it's repeating. Don't want that. So if I add another movement detection node, head face, can I duplicate this? Control D? Yes, Control D to duplicate. There we go. I think it could be funny if I have like the other faces are like lower in volume or like more reverb or something. I think that could be fun. I wonder how to fix it repeating. Let me think about this. Or maybe it's not. Wait. Hang on. Begin. All right. So any movement at all, if I just want to detect it, then it'll play. And then when it ends, it'll stop. And I'll get rid of this because I don't know what this means. Delete. No, bye. Come on. Okay, delete. Open. Nice. No. So. That's what we want. So, what else can I do? If I'm detecting other faces, can I turn the volume down? So, two people mouth open. Let's get this working. Alright. So for person 2, I want to pitch it a little bit and maybe add a bit of reverb. So let me go back into the Logic track. And I will get rid of this and I'll drag this into my project. Oh, okay, it's in. Okay, so let me add the resource. And I might make this completely separate. I'll like copy this whole section. I wonder if there's an easier way to do it. But I'll copy this. Control C, Control V. No. Oh, yeah. Okay, over here. This is really annoying to navigate. Okay, if I don't want this. I just want to kind of put this whole section underneath. So it's sort of kind of clean. I'm going to get rid of this. Put this over here. Person 2 can be a little bit quieter. I think I'll make that one 90. I don't know what this number actually means, but I'll make it 90. And I'll make it face 1, I think. Let me see. Alright. Well, that's fine. I think I'll add maybe a couple more sounds. I'll Control C, Control V this a couple of times and add maybe one more, and then the rest of them can be like a bit quieter, I think. Let me go back to the Logic project. Nice. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Number 3. This can be number 3 over here. I don't know if there's like a best practice for visual scripting. I'm just sort of going with whatever makes sense to me at the moment. And I'll make this quieter again. This is way too small to do anything. Maybe 80. Oh, sorry, I'll make this 2. Oh my gosh. So I've got face 0, 1, and 2. I could do 3 and 4 also. Let's do 3 and 4. Why not? I've got enough sounds. So if I go to Logic. Okay, awesome. I'll drag these in. Cool. And I will rinse and repeat. So I've got 0, 1, 2, 0 index faces. Love that. But I haven't 0 indexed over here, so just keeping that in mind. And then again, here. So this will be number 3. And this will be number 4. And I'll make this... I'll just take these down another 10, I think. Face 1, I'll give it the loudest one and then go down from there. I think that makes sense to me. I don't know how that'll actually play out. Delete this and make this Scream 4. Cool. And I'll delete this and make this Scream 5. And she's ready to publish. Let me see if this works. This is called Old Man Scream. And my hint is going to be open mouth. Okay, upload. I need a thumbnail. I want like old man. I also like this kind of idea. This is sort of what I'm going for. This is really like testing my like visual and graphic skills because I have none. Like I'm really not good. Oh, this is not gonna go well. And then I want hair. Curse drawing. Kind of don't hate it. Export as a PNG. That'll work. Yeah, alright. Download. Is it PNG that I need for upload? PNG, alright. They probably won't accept this. I can't like make thumbnails, but might have to learn if I really want to publish this. So she's uploaded. Okay. Submission guidelines. My effect is event, music, while they are. It's funny. It's a funny audio, I guess. No, not a challenge. And then I have to upload a demo video. So I'm going to make that now. What I'm going to do, so how to preview it. You can preview on TikTok and then you can open, I think you can scan it directly on your phone. Let me try that. Okay, so made my video, uploaded, submitted. They will let me know once my effect has been reviewed. You can go into managing effects and then we can see it's under review and then they collect analytics, I guess. I think that thumbnail's pretty rough. I think they're gonna hate the thumbnail. I don't know if they'll let me keep it. But does that read Old Man Scream? I don't know. So my filter did get accepted. It is live now on TikTok. If you would like to use it, I will link it in the description. If you'd like to use it, please do. Of course, I'm still learning this tool. I'm trying to make more filters and try to get better. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.